We just removed the marked shingle. We did have a tear in this shingle. On top of the granule loss, this shingle was lifted up to get the top nails out. This was the corner with these 3 nails right here. It's all of these tabs are wanting to come off, just lifting these shingles up. This shingle was not as severely bent. We're gonna say repair test failed, damaging these shingles. Trying to replace this marked shingle. And as you can tell, these shingles are brittle. This is gonna be the case going all the way up.